this is Andrew. This is my Jetta. I just got it 2 months ago. There's a whole lot of things wrong with it. It had fucked up struts, strut mounts, cooling fan relay, exhaust. Like, everything was wrong with it. There was no grill. I put a new grill on it, painted it. I have to turn the fan on by a switch. It's a VR6 2.8. There's my switch. I'm going to show you around the car. Windows don't work. Wheels are shitty. This window, that's VW Love. Shaved emblems. It's kind of dirty. And I'm going to show you an exhaust clip. And that's my exhaust with resonator cat, no exhaust. Alright, bye.